Hello guys, myself Asad, and this is a tutorial to show how to make yummy biscuits. And this is video is dedicated to my friend from the dorm 3 who is working hard in gym and doing some dieting and all. So this is for her. How can we make biscuits in our own dorm, which are very delicious and very delicious to eat. So here we got eggs, and this is flour maida, and this is milk, and this side is sugar, is soda, and that side is salt. And we need unsalted butter. In that we are using Indian ghee. Okay, that's my iced tea. And here we got a plate and a preheating oven. Yeah, it's a preheating oven. You can heat it up before making anything around 400 degree. It's not fixed, but you can heat it. Okay, that's how you scramble egg. Making something fluffy. It should have some bubbles inside it. It's gonna be bubbles means it's very um, very amazingly scrambled, and it's gonna give a very amazing texture. This is our plate. This is our sugar, this is our soda, and this is our salt. So first we will start with the salt. We'll put the salt, and we'll put the soda, and with sugar. You can use a spoon and anything, like nowadays people have mixture, grinding mixtures and technology, but the best way to do is hands. Okay, and thoroughly you should mix maida with this all three ingredients. uh, uh, Remember, the maida should not like scramble or make a dough very hard. The dough should be very fluffy and not too much heat. Mix it. I think it's mixing is done. So after mixing, the main important thing is uh, the ghee, or we can say the butter. Okay. We need almost much ghee, or you can take butter also. 2 or 3 spoon is good. This is a Indian ghee, and it's more and much better than butter. Butter is like something artificial, but this is purely come from what we say milk. So it's very amazing. You can do the next process from the hands as well as from the spoon. I will try to do it with the spoon, because in last process I'm gonna use my hands. You will see small clumps of maida.
Yeah.
You see the clumps are there, and I think it's almost done. uh, this is scrambled eggs, and this is what milk. Now we have to, these are 2 eggs. Now we have to mix these eggs with the milk, and we will leave a little of eggs inside the cup for the later on brush. we can see the egg is thoroughly mixed with the milk, and it's almost ready, and it's getting its color and the shape. Now we are going to our next process, the mixture, uh, to our dough mixture. And now we're gonna mix it. Okay, you can see, you can see and you can right now you can also use the spoon and the spoon or the hands. It's depending upon you, it's your own wish. Now dough is getting in shape, and it's getting its softness. Just remember always, making the dough should not be that much soft, and if it's soft you can add maida. Otherwise, like, people complain that like the biscuits are very what we say, hard. We are for that special purpose we are using hands to mix it in a good way. And the main thing is, you should not mix uh, biscuit dough so much, because it's gonna be hard. Just we have to just do it a little bit, not that much. A bit is enough. Now we're gonna spread little of flour, just little, not that much. Okay, that much is not enough, only the little, and we're gonna give it a bit shape. If the dough is more, you can divide it into two parts. If the dough is simple, you can keep it. Like the dough we have, it's a bit much as compared to space we have, so we can easily divide them. Okay, because we have to make shapes, and for that we have to separate it. We will make two big fluffy burger size dough. Okay, okay, now we have the dough, and we have to make a shape. We have to give a shape of like few centimeters. Its thickness should be few centimeters, because now it's the time we should cut shapes for the biscuits or cookies, whatever we can say. So it's getting it into the shape. It's around few, I think 1 centimeter or few. And people have shapers and things, as we are living in a hostel, so we're gonna use the student way, and the student way is this cup. So we're gonna make some shapes out of it, and it goes directly to our plate which is already ready, and we will do the another shape. So first we're gonna make the shapes, then we will do the cutting work. How to go to the tray. Now it's our final setting for the oven. This is the final product and the final design to go into oven. Now here we have mixture of egg and milk again. The egg always have to give good color and good crunch. So we're gonna put, people use brushing, as again we are in dorm and we are a student as well, as so brushing is not good for us. We're gonna use our spoon trick to do this process. We're gonna brush the biscuits with our spoon only. This is the talent the students always get. Okay, and I think it's almost ready to go into oven, and this thing is done. And we gotta wait a few minutes, at least few minutes, as our oven is already preheated, and we're gonna wait few minutes for the yummy delicious biscuits. So here we go. Comes a delicious biscuit, and they are ready almost, and brownish color, you can see the texture. and this texture, this is brown and this is very amazing. And now we're gonna try one of our biscuits, and it's very delicious and it's a very good snack. One for my friend and one for me. Okay, these are very good biscuits and we can eat them with the jam, chocolate or anything, and it's very good and it's at a snacks.